I'm going to just say in and out for inhale and exhale. Okay. So in, 1, 2, out, 1, 2, 3, in, 1, 2, 3, out, 1, 2, 3, 4, in, 1, 2, 3, 4, out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the sequence. You go from 1, you inhale shorter, you exhale longer. Then that grows. The exhale longer is super important for this season. And then in the winter, we'll actually exhale even longer. That's how we're going to stay big even in the winter. Let's try it again. We're going to do 3 rounds of that same thing. Ready? Okay. Here we go. In, 1, 2, out, 1, 2, 3, in, 1, 2, 3, out, 1, 2, 3, 4, in, 2, 3, out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, in, 1, 2, out, 1, 2, 3, in, 1, 2, 3, out, 1, 2, 3, 4, in, 1, 2, 3,